Hello everyone, my name is Aiza A. Piang. I will be reporting about budgetary and managerial activities. What is budgetary activities? Budgetary activities involve planning and managing the financial resources of an organization or business. The main goal is to ensure that income and expenses are controlled to support organization. So, budgetary activities also are all the tasks related to planning, managing, and controlling money in a business, school, government office, or any organization. So, the goal is to make sure there is enough money to support goals and avoid wasting money. So, there are key budgetary activities. First is budget planning. Budget planning estimating income and expenses for a specific period such as monthly, quarterly, and annually. Next is resource allocation. Distributing financial resources to different departments or projects based on priorities. Next is monitoring and control. Monitoring and control, comparing actual spending with the budget to ensure funds are used efficiently. Next is forecasting. Forecasting, predicting future financial trends based on current data and economic conditions. The last one is variance analysis. Variance analysis, identifying and analyzing differences between budgeted and actual performance. So, there are examples of budgetary activities. First is making a budget. Next is spending wisely. Next is checking the budget. The last one is fixing mistakes. So, in making a budget, you must be estimated how much money will come in and go out your expenses. So that is very important. We all know that this is the very important to making a budget, where your money go and where money will come. How much money will come, I mean. So next is spending wisely. So in spending wisely, you must be decide where to spend money, like your salaries, your equipment, and supplies. So next is checking the budget. So checking the budget, comparing what was planned with what was actually spent. So the last one is fixing mistakes. If too much money is spent, you must be looking for ways to adjust or improve. So why it is important? It is important to prevent overspending, helps plan for the future, and ensures money is used wisely. So, uh, next is the managerial activities. Managerial activities are the tasks and responsibilities managers perform to achieve the goals of the organization. These include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources and operations. So also, managerial activities are the actions that managers or leaders do to run an organization properly. So these tasks help guide employees, plan activities, and make sure everything is running smoothly. And there are key managerial activities. First is planning. Setting objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve them. Next is organizing, arranging resources, people, materials, equipment efficiently. Next is leading, motivating and guiding employees to reach goals. Next is controlling, monitoring performance, and making adjustments as needed. Next is decision making, evaluating information to choose the best solutions. The last one is communication, ensuring clear flow of information within the organization. So, why it is important? So, why it is important? It is important to ensure smooth operations and improves team coordination and productivity. And the last one is to help the organization adapt to changes and solve problems effectively. So, in short, budgetary and managerial activities work hand in hand to ensure that an organization runs efficiently, while budgetary activities focus on financial planning and control, and managerial activities focus on guiding people and processes to meet goals. Together, they help achieve both short-term efficiency and long-term success. And that's all my report.